Vivo Y400, the budget beast of 2025. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Vivo Y400, the latest budget-friendly offering from Vivo that's making waves in the mid-range smartphone segment. If you're someone who wants great features without breaking the bank, this smartphone could be your next best choice. Vivo has taken a fresh approach with the Y400, blending premium aesthetics, reliable performance, and practical features, all at a price that's hard to ignore. In this video, we'll explore everything from its unboxing and first impressions to a detailed look at the design, performance, camera samples, and real-world battery tests. Let's begin with the unboxing experience. Right out of the box, the Vivo Y400 comes with a clean, minimal packaging that includes the smartphone itself, a transparent silicone case, a USB Type-C cable, a 44W fast charger, SIM ejector tool, and the usual paperwork. Vivo is still one of the few brands that includes a fast charger in the box even in 2025, a thoughtful touch for value-conscious users. As we move to the design, the Vivo Y400 truly surprises. It features a sleek polycarbonate back with a gradient matte finish that gives it a premium look far beyond its price tag. The phone is slim and lightweight, with slightly curved edges for a better in-hand feel. The rear camera module follows Vivo's signature minimalist style, housing dual or triple lenses depending on the variant, and it blends smoothly with the back panel. The phone is available in eye-catching colors like ocean blue, moonlight silver, and phantom black, all of which look fantastic under natural light. On the front, the device flaunts a 6.56-inch IPS LCD display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, offering smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. Whether you're watching videos, browsing social media, or gaming casually, the visuals are sharp, colors are decent, and brightness is sufficient for both indoor and outdoor use. For a phone in this price category, the 90 Hz panel is a big plus, especially when many competitors are still offering 60 Hz. Now under the hood, the Vivo Y400 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G88 or possibly the newer Dimensity 6100 Plus, depending on the region. Paired with 4GB or 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, this phone offers reliable performance for daily multitasking. From handling social media apps and video calls to casual gaming and video playback, the Y400 maintains a consistent performance profile. Thanks to Vivo's RAM expansion feature, you can also convert a portion of storage into virtual RAM, giving you smoother app switching and background usage. Now coming to the camera setup, the Vivo Y400 offers a 50MP primary AI camera, along with a 2MP depth or macro lens and an LED flash. The camera delivers good results in daylight, with well-balanced colors, decent dynamic range, and fast focusing. Portrait shots come out clean with good edge detection, and macro shots allow you to get up close to small objects with surprising clarity. The 8MP front selfie camera is more than enough for video calls, selfies, and social media stories, offering features like AI beautification and background blur. While it may not match flagship-level photography, the Y400's camera performance is impressive for its price. The video capabilities include 1080p recording at 30 frames per second on both front and rear cameras, and with EIS enabled, your handheld footage looks reasonably stable. If you're someone who casually shoots vlogs or social media content, this phone has you covered. Moving on to the battery performance, the Vivo Y400 packs a massive 5000 mAh battery, which easily lasts over a day and a half on moderate use. Whether you're streaming YouTube, playing light games, or staying active on WhatsApp, the Y400 keeps going without battery anxiety. And when it does run low, the 44W fast charging support helps you get back to 70% in just about 30 minutes. For the budget segment, this kind of battery plus charging combo is rare and very welcome. On the software side, the Y400 runs Funtouch OS 14 based on Android 14, which brings a clean, modern user interface with features like split-screen multitasking, dynamic wallpapers, improved privacy tools, and smoother animations. Vivo has optimized the software experience to run efficiently even on lower hardware, and the result is a fluid day-to-day experience. Other key features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, 3.5mm headphone jack, hybrid SIM slot with microSD expansion, Bluetooth 5.1, and dual 4G volt support. It also includes essential sensors like accelerometer, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and gyroscope for enhanced usability. So, to wrap it up, the Vivo Y400 is a well-balanced budget smartphone that checks all the right boxes. It has a great display, reliable performance, a respectable camera setup, excellent battery life, and a premium look that sets it apart in the crowded mid-range segment. If you're looking for a dependable daily driver without spending too much, the Y400 is definitely worth considering. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the Vivo Y400? Would you pick this over Redmi, Realme, or Infinix in the same price range? Don't forget to like the video, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more in-depth mobile reviews, unboxings, and tech comparisons right here on our channel.